In today's class, we'll discuss properties of acids and bases. What are the properties of acids and bases? We'll discuss in today's class. Please listen, children, all of you. First one, acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay, I'll explain. Just listen. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Acid plus carbonate or bicarbonate, anything is okay, children. Same products you'll get: salt, water, and carbon dioxide gas. So in exam, if they ask what happens when carbonate is reacted with acid, you should say carbon dioxide is liberated. Okay. Acid plus sulfates or bisulfates, this is not there in your syllabus, just I'm saying. Salt plus water plus sulfur dioxide gas. And last but not least, very very important, base with metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Acid plus metal also salt plus hydrogen gas. Base plus metal also gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Many times in board exam they're asking continuously this question. Base plus metal also gives salt plus hydrogen gas. These are the general properties of acids and bases. General properties these are. Okay. So for each one I will give one example. Then in detail we will study in another class. Just these are the properties. So children, in exam how they'll ask me 3 marks question. What happens when metal reacts with acid? Means you should say hydrogen gas is liberated. Give one example. Any one example. How do you test the gas? They will ask. How do you test the gas? Hydrogen puts off burning splitter making pop sound. Okay. If you put hydrogen gas near burning splitter, it puts off making pop sound. And how do you test the carbon dioxide gas or sulfur dioxide gas? They turn lime water milky. What they will do, children? They will turn lime water milky. What is lime water? All of you know. What is lime water? Calcium hydroxide, not lemon water. Okay, lime water means calcium hydroxide. Into calcium hydroxide, if you pass carbon dioxide or sulfur dioxide, same thing happens, children. It will turn. If you pass to the lime water, if you pass carbon dioxide, what happens? You'll get CaCO3 plus H2O. This CaCO3 is milky in color. That's why lime water turns milky. If you pass sulfur dioxide, you get calcium sulfate. If you pass into calcium hydroxide, carbon dioxide, you'll get calcium carbonate. If you pass sulfur dioxide, you'll get calcium sulfate. But both of them will be milky only. But if you pass excess carbon dioxide into lime, then milkiness disappears due to formation of calcium bicarbonate. Okay, so they will expect you to write one example for this reaction, children. I'll show these are the general reaction you should remember. Okay, now all of you just listen. Now what happens? See here. So children, what was the first general reaction? We told acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. What is the next one? Acid plus base gives salt plus water. What is the next one? Acid plus carbonate or bicarbonate gives salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Okay. Sulfates we'll do later, children, because it's not there in your syllabus. Just I told us all. Acid. Acids means, children, all our famous acids we should do. Okay. Now we won't do. I'm saying normally. So we'll take HCl. With what is the metal? We'll take sodium. Okay. Acid with metal. What salt you are expecting, children? NaCl plus what gas? H2 gas. That's all. Simple. Hydrogen gas is liberated. And how? What happens to hydrogen gas? It puts off burning splitter making pops. Now acid. What acid? HCl. And what base? Respective sodium base is sodium hydroxide. What you'll get, children? Sodium chloride plus water. Water is compulsory, and we studied this under neutralization so many times. And what is the acid we are taking, children? HCl. What is the respective carbonate? Na2CO3. What happens? NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 gas. Okay, and HCl with bicarbonate. What is bicarbonate? Sodium bicarbonate. NaCO. It gives what salt, children? Same. NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Okay, children. So acid with metal I showed, acid with base I showed, acid with carbonate I showed, acid with bicarbonate also I showed. So children, with carbonates and bicarbonates, carbon dioxide gas is liberated. How do you test carbon dioxide, children? Carbon dioxide turns lime water. How do you test hydrogen gas? Hydrogen gas puts off burning splitter making pops. This is with Only HCl I showed children, and with only sodium respective metals. And one more, base with metal. Base with metal also I told you children, base with metal gives what? Salt plus hydrogen gas. What is the base will take? NaOH will take, metal will take zinc. Here what you are expecting, Na2 ZnO2 plus H2 gas. I told you sodium zincate so many times. This is called sodium zincate. What is it called children? Sodium zincate. Two sodiums, two oxygens. So put here two children. Okay, so two sodiums, two oxygens, two hydrogens, one zinc, one zinc. This is called sodium zincate. You're able to understand children? So acid, what is acid? HCl I took. What is the acid I took? HCl. Okay, what is the metal I took? Sodium. This time we'll take some other metal. Calcium will take. Base what will take? Calcium hydroxide will take. Carbonate what will take? CaCO3 will take. Bicarbonate what will take children? Calcium bicarbonate, CaHCO3 taken twice. So what you will get children? Salt plus, salt is CaCl2. What is salt children? CaCl2 plus acid plus metal. Acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Here salt plus water, CaCl2 plus water. Here what you will get children? Salt plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. Here what you will get children? Salt plus water plus carbon dioxide gas. Like this you have to do. So, children, finally, what I want to say is acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Acid plus carbonate or bicarbonate gives salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. What are the famous acids we had? HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, H2CO3, H3PO4, CH3COOH. These are the acids. And what are the famous metals we know children in reactivity series? Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver. Okay, we'll take up to lead only children. These are the metals we'll do. Any acid with any metal, same, salt plus hydrogen gas. The respective bases. What is the base of potassium? Potassium hydroxide. Base of sodium? Sodium hydroxide. I told you no metals form bases. What is the base of calcium? Calcium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. Aluminium hydroxide. Zinc hydroxide. Iron hydroxide. Lead hydroxide. So children, acid, any of this acid with any of this base, what you will get? Salt and water. You're able to understand? Respective carbonates. What is the potassium carbonate? K2CO3. Sodium carbonate? Na2CO3. CaCO3. MgCO3. Al2CO3 taken thrice. Zinc carbonate. Iron carbonate. Lead carbonate. Any acid with any carbonate, what you will get children? Salt, water, carbon dioxide gas. Now respective bicarbonates. What are the bicarbonates of potassium children? Potassium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, aluminium bicarbonate, zinc bicarbonate, iron bicarbonate, lead bicarbonate. You're able to understand children? Any acid with any bicarbonate, same children, salt, water, carbon dioxide. So these all are metals. These all are bases. These all are carbonates. These all are bicarbonates. So all acids, how many acids we have children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 acids with all these things, if you do, reactions will be completed. That I will make you do later children. So you understood no basic general properties. Acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen. Acid plus base gives salt plus water. Acid plus carbonate gives salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. If you do all these reactions with all these acids, then you will become perfect children. In your textbooks, only one they will give children with HCl and sodium, sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, sodium. That's all they will give. If you do with all of these things, then you will become perfect. Then you will understand reactions. What is chemistry? You will understand. Just for exam's sake, if you study children, it's not enough. You have to understand for lifelong, and you should gain the knowledge, and you should know the meaning. What is the chemistry and what is happening? You should not muck up the reactions. You should know. If I give HCl plus K immediately, you should understand, oh, acid plus metal, salt plus hydrogen. Like that you should understand. Suppose if I give HCl plus Na2CO3, then you should think, oh, sir said with acid plus carbonate you will get salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. I'll write it like that. You should understand. Okay, you can't mug up reactions, children. These are the basic general reactions. If you can remember these general reactions, you can do anything. So this many things with this acids you have to do in later classes. Okay, children. So for today, just remember general properties. What are general properties? Last time I'm saying acid plus metal gives what, children? Salt plus hydrogen gas. Acid plus base gives what? Salt plus water. Acid plus carbonate or bicarbonate gives what? Salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Acid, base plus metal gives what? Salt plus hydrogen gas. These are the properties. Okay, children. So I hope everyone copied. I'm giving 10 seconds time. Please copy that. If you can't copy, at least take that picture. That many carbonates and all acids. If you have time, you do it. If you don't have time, also, I'll make you do later. 10 seconds time I'm giving. Copy them fast or take picture.